Hello guys and welcome back on channel from Zero to Millionaire. Last time we learned a little about how to manage your playlist. Today I show you how to upload multiple files to your YouTube channel.
But before we get into it, and if you're new here and you like videos about making money online and working from home, then go hit the subscription channel and that notification bell below to know when I post a new video.
Multiple upload files, or if you want to say multiple video on your channel, is possible with a new version of the YouTube Studio. And if you want to upload 2 or more files, yes, it is possible. How to make it? Very simple. If you are logged in your channel, go to your top section, and here is an icon with camera. Click on it, and here is an upload video button. Click on this button. Now you see standard form from new YouTube Studio to upload videos, and how to upload multiple, not one. It's the same way what you make in one video. So, for example, if we have one video, for example, intro, you drag and drop here, and this is standard way how you upload one video. To upload multiple of this video is the same way. Push button create, upload videos, and drag and drop here multiple files. In my case, I have prepared 2 files, intro and ending, and drag and drop to this form. Like you see, now is uploading in this box, and these files, when we was uploaded, will be on like private. So we can wait a little time. I see it's 20 seconds, and I show you it will be private. Like you see, upload is complete, and it's now is processing. I refresh page, and like you see, maybe this note is private, but this is draft file, and now you can go to this draft and start edit. And this is the same form when you upload one video. So you can put your title, description, thumbnails, playlist, options, and go next. And till to go to visibility and set it private, you only set public or schedule. Okay, I think I explained it very good. If you have any question about this topic, or if you have any question about how to manage your YouTube channel, please put your question to comments. I will try to answer of this question if I know how to answer of it. If this question will be a little bigger, I prepared some video for everybody from our community to know respond from this question.
Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe, enable notifications, and we will see in the next one.